giving you a little sneak peek. Hello from Mercedes-Benz at CES 2020. I'm Katie Linendoll, and it has been so awesome collaborating for the second year with Mercedes-Benz, and a huge announcement this year, a partnership and collaboration Mercedes-Benz introduced with AVTR, and here you get to see the Vision AVTR. This is a concept vehicle looking 130 years into the future. And my goodness, it does all the talking, but let me take you through some of my favorite features, because the exterior and the interior, stunning. And the whole idea here is to merge nature, technology, and also that human connection. So let me show you some of my favorite points here. Obviously, very futuristic exterior. The tires themselves are made to look like wood sprites, if you remember from Pandora. So these are all LED. They actually change them to match my glasses, so these can be changed, and they just look so organic with the feel of the vehicle. And then you come inside, and speaking of the world of Pandora, these leaf-like seats, as you can see, just move right with the car. And also, no steering wheel. You'll notice the controls are all done right inside, right here. And also, you check out the scenery, because inside you can play with the different look and feel, and yep, taking in that world of AVTR. And quickly coming to the back side. Now again, remember, this car is all about sustainability and giving back to nature. And a great touch point of that are these bionic flaps. These are not only aerodynamic, but they're supposed to mimic like the scales of the back of an animal, but also they can harvest solar energy, and they can also express the mood that you're feeling on the road. Could you imagine driving and telling people how you feel? I don't know about you, but I'd like to do that sometimes. Inside and outside, an incredible concept car that was driven on stage last night at the big CES keynote. So there's a little bit of a sneak peek. You can find more at mercedes-benz.com. I'm Katie Linendoll. Stay tuned right here from CES 2020.